In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue of YouTube not working properly in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing, try other web browsers. If you're having this problem across all your browsers, there could be an issue with YouTube itself, or there's an issue with your Windows device or your date and time settings. So just please make sure that it's not just with Google Chrome, because it could be across different browsers as well. And like I was just kind of alluding to, you want to check your day and time settings down in your system tray. Make sure that's correct. If not, you may have to right click on it and adjust date and time. And then you will have to go ahead and sync now. So go down to additional settings and sync up your time. And then hopefully your day and time settings would update, relaunch YouTube, and then hopefully that would have resolved the problem. You can also attempt to clear your browser data, site cache, cookies, and other browser data as well by selecting the three-dotted icon up at the top right, select the delete browsing data, and then select the time range of all time, and then select the delete data, relaunch the browser, and then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.